Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how we can use the Sharp library, a Node.js image processing library, to actually compress or reduce the size of our PNG, JPG and WebP images. I will take a very simple example here. This is my original image profile.jpg. I need to reduce the size of this image. So what I will do is that I will provide the input file here. Let me change the path here to profile.jpg, and the output path will be compressed image.jpg. So the quality of the image is set to 80, so it can have values from 0 to 100. So if I provide here, let's suppose 20, the compression will be high and the quality of the image will be slightly reduced to 20. And now let me show you the original size of this image. Original size is 145 kilobytes, and now if I run the script right here, so you will see image compressed successfully. This information is returned to us, the width, height and the actual size. So it has reduced this size to from 145 kilobytes to 42 kilobytes. So quite a reasonable amount of compression is done, guys, without having the image hasn't lose its original quality. Still you can see how much size we are preserving, how much size we have compressed from 145 to 42 kilobytes. And now I will tell you guys how to use this library. And the command is very simple: npm i sharp. This is the actual module. You can install this by using this command. And now I will step by step write this code and show to you how we develop this. So first of all, we need to include this module. We need to require this, and after that we just need to say the input file, which is profile.jpg. We also need to say the output path, which is compressed.jpg, let me call it. And then basically we will use this module, which is we also need to have first of all an object, which is the compression options, we can call this. And in this object we need to have the quality. It can either be from 0 to 100. Let me put here 50. So 50% compression needs to be done. Put a comma, and the second option is progressive. This needs to be true. If you don't do this, compression will not be done. And force is false. So these are three options. It will force the compression even if the output is larger, but we don't want this, so we will set this to false. You can basically play with this libraries, change these options and then see the result as well. And now this object Sharp library contains it's a constructor, so it will take the input file here, read the file. Now you can convert this image to either to PNG, JPG, any format that you want, WebP. So in this case we need to convert this into JPG. So we will convert this into JPG, and then with the compression options, and then we need to convert this into a actual file. We will use this method of Sharp library, and here we will put the output path. So whatever output path that we constructed, compressed.jpg, and this will actually return a callback function with the error and the info. And this info object will contain the actual information about the image. So if I basically now delete this image and try to run this script once again, node index.js, you will see in the left hand side a image is constructed and a information is returned about the image. You will see. So if I show you the size difference here, so now 145 kilobytes and slightly the half of the size. So we provided 50% in the quality, so now the compressed size is 76 kilobytes. So I think it's a very good free alternative to actually compress your images, and it doesn't cost you money. It is not an API, it's a free library in Node.js which actually do the process for us of compressing the images. And you can play with this quality option. It basically have 0 to 100, and then three function calls we are doing. First of all, reading the file, and then converting to JPG, and then converting to the compressed file. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well.